Okay, so I'm going to go over questions on a quiz that a lot of people made mistakes on. So I'm going to start off with question 1 here. So the questions ask us which of the following 3 variables, price, size of car, and serial number, and whether or not each one falls into a quantitative variable, a categorical and nominal variable, or a categorical and ordinal variable. So since it's out of 3 marks, it's 1 mark per correct answer for each variable. So I'll start off with price. So price is generally used as a measure. So when I'm measuring car prices, that means I'm looking at a histogram generally between price ranges of 20 to 25,000, 25 to 30,000, etc. So it's going to be a quantitative variable. Then moving on to size of car. I know that in the question it tells me that it's sorted by compact, mid-size, and full-size. So naturally there's a ordering of the smallest vehicle to the largest physical size vehicle. So it's going to be a ordinal variable, and because it's ordinal, it's also categorical. And then last but not least, serial number. So serial number, if you think about what a serial number is, it's pretty much like a label to a product sold at a store. For example, if I'm buying Oreo cookies, then it generally has a barcode, which is a serial number. It's going to be a categorical variable. And now the tough part is if it's a nominal or an ordinal variable. So here the question misleads us by placing the first letter of the serial number by A, and then B, and then etc. So a lot of people made the mistake of putting this as a categorical and ordinal variable, but it's actually a categorical and nominal variable. So the reason why it's a nominal variable is because the question doesn't tell us that we're sorting snack items by the letter A and then dairy items from letter B, and it just gives us a list of serial numbers, which is randomly generated, so there's no natural order to it. So a lot of students had the most trouble on this one. So generally, I think most of the confusion was on serial number. You just have to try not to overthink this question.